So what's up guys, just an outlook for the week to come, starting in the week DXY. Expect price to eventually come into this demand zone here. You can see the structure, price will break into the favorite dip, so I'm expecting price to head lower. Okay, the possibility for price to go into the supply zone is there, but I know the overall bias is bearish for the dollar. Looking at USD here on the daily time frame, we are still in the supply zone, but I know that the objective is for price to eventually take out that old high there. We're still in the supply zone, so we should act with caution. The 4-hour time frame, also in the supply zone. Again, we should act with caution. So when you go on the lower time frame, you probably should be on that small internal leg there. So again, on the 50-minute time frame, like I said, we're sitting on that 4-hour supply zone. The 50-minute internal structure, however, is still bullish. So if we get a sell off in that supply zone and bounce off demand zone, this demand zone, I'll be looking to go long around these areas there. If we do, however, see price break this low here, then I will probably wait for price to pull back into some sort of supply. If price doesn't go higher from here, the supply level will be around that point there. So let's say we get a break of this low here. So let's say we see price come back into that supply zone, and I'll look to take that long position, that short position in that position. Otherwise, I'm just looking for long positions. Nasdaq, sort of the same thing. We are sitting in a supply zone. That supply zone is not this particular supply zone, right? So the supply zone is this one here, but I don't have it marked out because I want nothing on chart with unnecessary things. But we are sitting in a supply zone on the daily time frame. Going on to the 4-hour time frame, you can see how we're sitting in that supply zone there as well. We haven't breached that supply zone as yet, so you can see that's the strong high there of this 4-hour structure. So unless that high goes, I'm still looking to trade the supply zone. But I know that the overall direction is bullish. Looking on the 15-minute time frame, I can see that we had a bearish break of structure, so bearish break of internal structure, which is probably the indication that the market is looking to go lower. Okay, so there's no short trade for me, as fractal structure is still bullish as long as we are above the low there. So once that changes, then I'll look to enter short positions. So looking at oil here, so on the daily time frame, we can see that we had a break of structure, price came back to this demand zone here, and now we had an internal break of structure and looking for price to come all the way to that demand zone over there. Price doesn't have to go all the way to this point here because this is the actual demand zone here, and you can see price is sitting in the demand zone, so price may head higher from the point on. Looking at 4-hour structure, we can see that we had an internal break of structure, which is the indication of that swing pullback. So I'm expecting price to come at least to this demand zone here. If not, this would be the point of origin for this entire up move, where we'll look to get long positions. Looking on the 50-minute time frame, I can see that price is trying to correct itself all the way to the demand zone and drop lower. So looking at gold on the daily time frame, I can see that price is bullish. Just hide this here from this time frame. I can see that price is bullish. We had a break of swing structure, so I am anticipating that pullback. So I don't know if that pullback will be an internal pullback, and we'll see price get higher into this extension here. We'll have to wait and see if that particular move occurs. On the 4-hour time frame again, I'm just going to stick to this internal range, and if I see this low go, then I'll look to trade that daily swing pullback. But internal structure here is still bullish. On the 50-minute time frame, internal structure is bullish as well. So if price comes to around this demand zone, I will look to take the long position to finish that daily extension.